Next we have Ayushi Mishra from IBS Gurgaon.
Daily reviews I used to take, and that's some evening hurdles. And would like to highlight, even though in the pandemic at the bad times, with the rough phrase, some students has actually bared a lot. And sharing on this podium, this girl from IBS Gurgaon has bared a lot during the pandemic in our family, but standing here today.
Hello Ayushi, I noticed that there are many students from IBS Gurgaon and now you are also here. How has your experience been with UAS International?
So the experience was very good. People are very helpful, especially Ishan sir, Santosh sir, Mehak ma'am, and they've guided us at every step. And specifically, they have the reviews part, wherein you get to know your flaws, your plus points, and that is how it helped me grow. It helped me grow professionally. It also improved my presentation skills and professionally as a person as well. So it was overall a very good experience, and the people are really nice. If you really need to have a good mentor here or in your professional life, I would say US International would be the best to join for an internship.
So what is the best thing that you recommend to your juniors about UAS International?
So specifically for the juniors, I would say it covers almost every aspect of the graduation part or the post-graduation part that you study. Uh, blending into the practical perspective from the HR department to the sales department to the marketing department. Everything is covered at US International, and they teach you almost everything, the depth of it and the presentation skills and how to handle the clients as well. So even if you are stuck somewhere and if you don't know what to do, you just you can go to directly Ishan sir for that. So he's always available. There is nothing like he's the CEO of the company or Mehak ma'am is the zonal head of the company, so you cannot get in touch with them. It's nothing like that. They are very down to earth, and they're always there for you. Even if you need to call them at 11 p.m. at night, they will receive your call immediately and solve your query. So that is the best thing that I learned here, and I just focused on. So I believe that is the best part for the interns to get into and the juniors to get into.
So what is the one word that you want to say for Ishan sir?
I think he's an all-rounder, cool person.
Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you.